Pwede siya ganyan. Tapos pwede siya ganon. Hi everyone, it's Micaelah and welcome back to my channel. So I'm very happy right now. As you can see naman, nakikita nyo naman masaya ako. Anyways, pinadalan po ako ng Casio Calculator Philippines ng gusto kong calculator. I'm so happy. I can't wait to unbox it. So, dumating siya ngayon. Alam nyo guys, yung nag-deliver is from GoGo Express. I don't know why it is late. It is too late kasi dumating siya mga bandang 7 PM and it's already 7:51. Ayun, anyways, it's here. Ayan siya. So, unbox ko na siya. It's from Shopee then. Shopee, baka naman. Alam nyo guys, talagang mas gusto ko to rather than the white one, than the pink ones rather. Kasi, the color is so nice. Super dami ko pang gagawin tonight. And I'm doing an unboxing right now. Why am I doing this? But anyways, I can do it. Just believe in yourself. You can do it. Kahit na super daming gagawin. For me ha, super dami kong gagawin. Pero, ayun. Nakaka-consensya kasi kapag walang ginagawa. Lalo na, college na ako. I have to, do my best. So, oh my gosh! This one, ayan, it's a notebook from Casio Calculator. Hindi ko siya bubuksan because this will be for the raffle prizes. Or raffle giveaway prizes, rather. Ayan. Color pink siya. Kapartner siya nito, guys. So, you rather buy this with this. Diba? And then, ang ingin na. This one, the Casio electronic calculator. Ang model niya is SX300PW. Hindi ko na rin siya bubuksan because this is not mine. And this is also for the raffle giveaway. I'll tell the mechanics here in my vlog. Then this one, this is the model MX8B. Ayan, para siyang maliit na version nito. Maliit na version ng pantindahan na calculator. This is really pangtindahan. Ayan, maliit siya na version or same lang. I don't know. Buksan ko ba? Titingnan ko lang naman. Wala siyang buksan. Titingnan ko lang ha. Para may pakita ko sa inyo. Wow. Oh, teka lang. Ayan siya. And ito yung warranty ha. Kompleto to. Ayan siya. MX-BB. I think it's, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think it's a solar. Yeah, it's a solar calculator yata. Ang ganda niya. This has, wala lang siya ng tax, cell, and margin na meron dito. I think this is one of the calculators na ina-allow sa CPA board exam. I don't know. Tingnan mo. Tingnan na lang. Oh my god! Ito nakasunod na yung calculator na gusto ko. Wait. Ayan. Magpapamigay tayo ng 2 calculators and a notebook. Ayan siya guys ha. Kasama to sa raffle giveaway. So make sure that mabasa nyo mabuti. Ito na yung lalagyan niya. Ang ganda. Super nipis niya. Oh my god. It is very pretty. Teka lang, may lighting. Oops. It's very pretty. Look at that. It's super thin. I like this one. Parang ito siya eh. This one. Pero dito hindi. Oh my god. And it's flat like me. Thank you Casio Calculators Philippines for this, and thank you NNTech MLA for this. Thank you so much. Kinikilig ako. Super pretty niya. Ito siya. Okay, so this is it. Oh my god. Thank you Casio Calculators. Okay, so it also has a warranty, 1-year warranty. So all of these things has a 1-year warranty. Oh god! Pwede siya ganyan. Tapos pwede siya ganon. This is for the decimal points. I don't know what this function is. Pag-aaralan ko pa lang yan. It's so thin. Look. Compared to this one, to this model, it's MS120FM. Look at that. It's thin. Yung pagka-thin nito is ito siya. Yung part na to ng calculator na to ng MS120FM versus the JW200SC. Look at their difference. This one is bigger than this, or is it just, yeah, it's bigger than this. Look, and ayun yung pinagkaiba nila. And then look, wait, look, wow, ayan siya, this is slant siya, so it's bigger, ayan, and this large functions here, and it has a, what do you call this? Square root. Meron siya square root. I can't say anything, but it's very maganda. Ang wala lang here is yung cost, sell, and margin. But it's pretty. Look at that. Look, guys. Thank you NNTech MLA, and thank you Casio Calculators Philippines. Thank you so much. Ililink down ko yung shop ng NNTech MLA below. Ayan siya. Thank you Casio. Thank you so much. So first, like and follow Casio Calculators Philippines Facebook page and Instagram account. Follow their Instagram account. This is their Facebook page, and then this is their Instagram account. So make sure to follow them. And then number 2, you should follow NNTech MLA Shopee account as well as their Instagram account, and then like their Facebook page. Lalagay ko sa description box yung link ng Facebook page ng lahat, and ng Instagram account and Shopee account nila. So don't worry about it. And then, of course, you should subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for you to stay updated on my latest uploads. And then number 4, you should mention 3 friends who you also wanted to have one of this. Yan. 2 calculator and 2 notebook. Mamaya ko ipapakita yung isa. Lastly, number 5, you should send a proof that you did all the mechanics. You can message me through my Instagram account or through my Facebook account. Ililink ko din yung Facebook account ko and my Instagram account. Winners will be chosen through through Roleta. Like, I'll use Roleta, and then ayun, siya yung mamimili ng winners. Winners will be announced on September 1, 2021. So you have 8 days 8 days. Is it 8 days? No. I don't know how many days you still have. But, ayun, make sure to do all the mechanics to confirm your entry. This is the last item na ipapag-give away natin. Wala tong bayad ha. It's all libre. So, ito yung last item na ipapag-give away natin. It's a notebook. It's necessary because we all do taking notes. Yeah, ito sila. Ayan. So, make sure to do all the mechanics para magkaroon kayo nito. Okay, guys. And that's it. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much to Casio Calculators of Philippines and NNTech MLA for giving me all this and this one. Yes, thank you for this. Bye everyone. Stay safe.